Hello everyone and welcome to my first ever Python tutorials for beginners. In this video we will learn how to install Python to your computer and learning what are path and environment variable is. Now, without further ado, let's get into it. So open your browser, any browser you can choose, and type it in your search bar, Python. Now, in your search engine's result, open the link where it says python.org. Alright, so now we're in the main website of Python programming language. So hover your mouse into this download button and click this button to download the latest version of Python for Windows. Now, if you're on Mac OS X or Linux, you can find the downloads in these buttons right over here. You can search how to install them in other tutorials in the website, or yeah, let's click this button over here. oh, oh, I've downloaded it before, I forgot. Yeah, if you want to download other version of Python, you can click on all releases right over here. You can search uh, the older version of Python available. Now let's open the installer. Alright, here it is, the installer. Okay, so in this Windows, you might as well want to add Python 3.9 into the path. This is recommended. I recommend you to enable this. Now let's click install now. I'll explain like what I said. I'll explain what our path and environment variable is. Alright, so we're back with Python successfully installed in my machine. Now, since this is not the first time that I've installed Python in this machine, I've disabled the path length limit for the Python in here. Yeah, I recommend you guys to disable the path limit too, because it will be very helpful in the future if you're debugging something. Alright, so yeah, that's all. This is all for installing Python into your machine. Now, like I said before, I'll now explain what our path and environment variables is. Let's add my PowerPoint. Right, so what is path and environment variable? Environment variable is a group of variables. This includes folder paths, directories, executables, etc. that are used by the operating system you're using. And each operating system has their own environment variable. For example, Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, etc. Now, the environment variables that Windows has is called path, and path stores directories where programs that could be executed inside your operating system are executed without knowing and typing a path file into command prompt or terminal. I'll show you an example over here. So in command prompt. Now, if you type in Python in a command prompt, and since we've checked the box where you can add Python into the path, here you can open Python from command prompt by just typing it here, because Python, the Python directories is already registered into the path in Windows, so that the command prompt knows that where Python is, and you can open it. Yeah, if you didn't add Python into the path, then it will either show an error if you type in Python like this, or if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11 like me, it will just direct you to a Microsoft Store page where you can download Python from there. However, I recommend you to install Python from the main website instead. So yeah, that's all. I know it's pretty hard for a beginner like us to uh, know what path or environment variable is. I'm also a beginner. I use to I had hard time understanding also what is pass and environment variable is. So I hope you guys are think that video is very helpful. And yeah, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you dislike this video, leave it you can leave a dislike. And please, if you guys have any feedback, please write it in the comment section down below. Alright, so if you guys want to stay tuned in my Python tutorial for beginners, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Alright, see you guys in the next video.